Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel SalesforceFighters. Today start Salesforce app builders interview questions. Very important questions and helpful the job files and crack the interview. So start the video. First questions. What is the email template that can be created in the Salesforce? We can create different type of the emails template in Salesforce. Some of them are listed below. Custom HTML. Custom HTML template can be created without any letterhead by the user's admin that have edit HTML template permissions. Next, HTML with letterhead. Any user that has the permission of edit HTML template can create such letterhead based email template. Next, text. This is template can be created any change by any users. Next, Visualforce. This template can be created by only administrations or developers. In this template, multiple records merging features is also available. Next questions. What is the what is sandbox in Salesforce? Enlist virus type of the sandbox. A sandbox is used for development and testing purpose. It is used as it is allow apex programming without the disturbing the production's environment. If you want to text any newly developed application of visual page of force.com's framework, then you can test develop it sandbox instead of testing directly. Next questions. Can you edit an Apex triggers, Apex class, or Visualforce page in a production environment? Apex class and the triggers cannot be edited directly in the production environment. It is usually done firstly in the developers editions, or you can use either sandbox org or in the testing org. It is then deploy using development tools in the productions and users with authors. Apex permission can only do it. On the other hand, Visualforce page can be edited and created in the productions environment and sandbox both. Next questions explain whole and WhatId of Salesforce activities. Whole refer to the users like any leads or contact. Say for example, it can be either lead ID or contact ID, but ID refer to the object like opportunity ID and account ID and others. Next questions. Why are the sharing rules returns can data access be restrict thought the sharing rules? Sharing rules are the return to the give public read only access and edit the access to same individuals in Salesforce org. Like if in any case only managers and supervisors are the granted extra credentials to your the object as compared to your the peers. These credentials can be public records only or private. Thought sharing rules, we can give more records access to the users. In public group or thought the virus rules, record sharing can be the extended thought these rules are not static and strict for the entire organization user or granted greater access thought. These rules, as far as data access restrictions is in concern, we cannot restrict data access thought these rules. Next question, enlist virus data type of records name and standard fields. Standard fields records name can have either text, fields, or auto numbers data type whose limit in approx 18 chart. To generate the auto numbers, it is a must to specify the format of the data feeds based on which the next number will be added automatically. Like you can generate the feeds in this following the way. Next questions, explain bucket feeds of records. You can group related records thought bucket feeds as per their range and segment, and for this you need not use any custom feeds and complex formulas. You can use bucket for grouping, arranging, and filtering. Sorry, filtering data. You need to the define multiple bucket to store the multiple type of the data. Next questions explain dynamic dashboards and how are you can schedule dynamic dashboards. Dashboards can be the categorized as static and dynamic. Static, the dashboards are the visual to be all users that have made the reports. Dynamic dashboards are used to the display the information that is relevant to any particular user's thought. This is the sales manager want to see the reports that is generated to the any particular team's members, then he can use dynamic the dashboards. Dynamic dashboard can be the used to the view show any user specific data that may include their the personal sales kit number of the convert leads or closer cases. If you want to the show organize wide for the regional data that is can you then you can use such a dynamic dashboards. Dynamic dashboards cannot be scheduled. These dashboards show real time the data. Next questions, explain different report types that are the available in the Salesforce. In Salesforce, user can be generated the following the reports types. Four types. First, matrix report. Second, tabular reports. Third, joint reports. Fourth, summary reports. First reports, matrix reports. The reports in the which data can be the grouped as a either row columns. Wise are the called matrix reports. Next, tabular reports. Second, the reports that are of Excel type and provide an item list along with the grand total are the now as tabular reports. Third, giant reports when data of the reports are the featured and shown by different reports that may be similar of difference, then it is a call join the reports. Third, summary reports. These reports are quite similar to the tabular reports, but you can also perform the grouping of row. You can create the charts and views the subtotals as well. Here you can only use summary and matrix reports as the data source. The dashboards will join and tabular reports cannot be used. Thank you friends. Very important questions. Please my channel like, subscribe and share and comment. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye friends.